Hey, I know we all want to look our best. This is Angela, and today's show is called Skin Tightening in Midtown Manhattan. Unlock your ageless glow today. And trust me, it's juicier than a ripe pineapple. You know that moment when you look in the mirror and see something that wasn't there yesterday? That little bit of looseness that makes you do that weird thing where you pull your skin back just to remember what it used to look like? Yeah, I see you. We've all been there. Let's get real about why those fancy creams collecting dust in your bathroom cabinet aren't cutting it. Here's the truth bomb. Most topical treatments are like putting a band aid on a broken arm. They might make you feel better, but they're not fixing the underlying issue. And don't get me started on those facial exercises you saw on TikTok. While they might give you a good laugh, they're not going to give you that snapback skin you're dreaming of. But here's where it gets exciting, and I mean really exciting. We're living in the golden age of skin tightening technology. And let me tell you, it's nothing short of revolutionary. At our Midtown Manhattan location, we're using cutting edge radio frequency technology that works like a magic wand for your skin. Except it's not magic, it's science, baby. Think of RF technology as a personal trainer for your collagen. It gets deep under your skin, literally, and tells those sleeping collagen factories to wake up and get to work. And unlike those creams that just sit on top of your skin looking pretty, this actually creates change from the inside out. Speaking of change, let me tell you about Sarah. And trust me, this story is better than your favorite Netflix series. Sarah came to us after losing 50 pounds, which is amazing, right? But she had this loose skin that was basically holding her confidence hostage. She'd bought this gorgeous sleeveless dress, but kept it hanging in her closet like some kind of expensive wall decoration. After 3 months of treatments at our Midtown location, not only did she wear that dress, she posted it on Instagram. The before and after photos? Chef's kiss. Seriously, I couldn't make this up if I tried. Now, let's talk about what makes this investment worth every penny. Unlike other treatments that need you coming back every few weeks, like it's your second job, our skin tightening treatments create lasting results. Yes, you'll need maintenance, but we're talking a few times a year, not every other weekend. And here's the kicker. The sooner you start, the better your results will be. It's like retirement savings for your skin. The earlier you invest, the bigger the payoff. Our collagen production naturally starts declining in our 20s. I know, rude, right? But with the right treatment plan, we can tell Father Time to take several seats. Ready to get started? I thought so. Here's what you need to do. Call us at 212-799-1411 for your free consultation. Our team at Precision Aesthetics in Midtown Manhattan will create a personalized treatment plan that's as unique as you are. And trust me, we've seen it all. There's no skin concern too big or too small. Remember, loose skin doesn't have to be your new normal. Whether it's from weight loss, aging, or just genetics deciding to play tricks on you, we've got solutions that actually work. This has been Angela on behalf of PrecisionAestheticsMD.com. Until next time, have a wonderful day. And remember, if you find yourself with unwanted wrinkles, let's see what we can do to help. Later.